So in 2023, I completed my vision board. Well, almost. For those of you who remember when I did my vision board video about a year ago, I didn't expect to be anywhere close to where I am now, but we have completed the majority of these squares. Some of my main things were traveling and making sure that I actually took time for myself, and though I didn't do amazing, we did enough of that to the point where I can say that I've successfully lived a fraction of my life. I also wanted to get back into the gym, which thankfully I did heal really well from my surgery and got back into doing that. If you have not seen my wonderful healthcare journey, we have gone through ups and downs, and we finally figured out something that works. Of course, I do see a personal trainer, so he helps out with that. We want to eat better. That happened. It still happens occasionally, unless you're talking about like an hour ago, because we most definitely just had Waffle House. And then I wanted to make more money. And in making more money, I want to invest that money. And this year, I think I ended the year at the highest amount I've made in a few years. And if you guys did not watch the video that I posted, I don't know when I posted. I actually might just post these on the same day, let's be honest. I buy a house. I buy a house. A 20 and 3. And I buy a house, which was in my 5-year plan. And because of that, I did not complete paying off my car. However, that will be in this upcoming year, and I think that buying a house, probably just a little outweigh. I did want to get monetized, which we are excessively close to that. So like, if you want to stick around, I'd appreciate that. But we did hit the first level monetization, so I'm actually gonna say that we did that. I want to write more, which I wrote a lot. We'll probably talk about those at different times because your girl, that's so much work. And honestly, I'm trying to be accountable, but like, y'all keep me accountable for so many other things. We're gonna stay away from that. I like to have places to be lazy. And then in general, I just wanted to upgrade my work life, which now that we go into the office more, I spend a lot more time making sure that I'm so much more productive and that my routines are not complete trash. Though recently it has been, but it's the end of the year. I can do what I want. It's the holidays. Don't judge me. Unlike 2023, 2024 visions are a little bit less. Your girl's not trying to do too much, but each one is a little bit of a big thing. Now, I already mentioned that we are paying off my car because I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. But at the same time, yes, YouTube, I want to be monetized, but I also just want to record more and do a lot more things that maybe I didn't think I'd do with this channel. And we talk about budgeting and we talk about lifestyle changes, but maybe we'll do more travel. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe we'll just do things. We'll do cool things. Yes. It's very much up to you guys where this channel goes, so let me know. I do want to finish the book that I started writing. Your girl is trying to be published by the end of 2024. Is that easy? No. Is it easy while paying off a car? No. Is it easy while now I have a mortgage payment? Probably not. Am I gonna do it? I have no fucking clue, but we're gonna try. I'm also trying to get back into training in a sense that maybe, I already said I'm gonna run a 5K, but like maybe I'll do a weightlifting comp. Who knows? They have amateur hour at debating. You know, I try to be swole, you know? I try to be one of the gym bros. You know the one dude who eats like 2 dozen donuts each morning because he just burns that shit in his morning workout? That's gonna be me. I hopefully fucking not. I'm gluten-free. Anyway, on top of that, we're traveling a lot this year. And I thought traveling last year was one thing, but no, we're traveling, we're going to countries. We passport. We out borders. We're crossing that's not normal. Don't do that. I am legally leaving the country to go to other countries. Yes, do that. That's good. And we're just investing our money. So we're gonna pay off the car, fitness, lifestyle, taking up a notch. We're going to make sure we record better, publish our book. Clearly we're writing this together. This is a you and me thing, y'all. Publish our book and invest more in just long-term financials. But overall, there is a 6 for 2024, and that is to be grateful and to be building relationships that I am going to have forever. I already have quite a few, but you know, I've been told that I need more. And by that, my parents want me to get married. I'm not getting married in 2024. I'm giving you guys analogies, but I'm letting people come into my life in ways that maybe I wouldn't have thought of before. This is not a soft launch for anything. I'm realizing I'm really bad at this. My point is, I'm being grateful for people and I'm gonna make more friends. Or just make no friends and just take the friends that I have and just treat them better. Either way, 2024, my vision board is going to be a lot more simpler, but at the same time, so much more complex. And in about 23.5 hours, this will be gone and replaced with the other one. Hopefully, when we check in next year, I don't want it to be like this year. If we complete all these, I can't say that I'm proud of myself. I just think that I need a life. But yes, I guess it's good. It's just that I'm not really a professional, just the middle child.